I get a lot of questions about the tags that I use, and I wanted to quickly show you how you can customize a tag, okay? So I'm on my home menu here, and I'm going to go all the way down to tags and all the way down at the bottom, and it says customize tags. From there, I can choose any of the tags that I want, or I can create a new tag. Today, let's create a new tag. Now, I'm somebody that likes checkboxes, so I am going to, first of all, give it a display name. What is the new tag that I want to be able to look for, okay? My new tag is going to be places to visit. Since my husband is retired, we like to travel. So places to visit, okay? And then I can give it a symbol, and there are all of these symbols that I could use. But since I like checkboxes, I am going to give it a checkbox. Let's pick this one right here, okay? And then I can also change the font color if I want. I can make it, let's say, green. And if I wanted to even, I could add a highlight. And it will show you right there what that checkbox is going to look like, okay? So you can kind of get a preview. If you don't want a color, you can just say none, and it goes away. Then it says, this does not affect things that you have already tagged. And I'm going to say, okay. And now, when I look at my list of tags, I have a place to visit, okay? Now, maybe I don't need that at the very, very top. I can go up and I can move that. See how it's moving down simply by clicking on that arrow. So I can put it down here with my maybe books to read, restaurants to try, that kind of thing. Put it down here near those. All the way down here at the bottom, okay? Books to read, movies to see, now we have places to visit, okay? So I'm going to leave that there. So on my inbox now, I'm going to add a new place, places to visit, okay? And I'm going to change that from a holiday tag. I'm going to remove that tag, and I will tag it places to visit. Again, I'm going to go up here to my tags. I have them on my shortcut menu all the way down, places to visit, okay? Now, I have a new tag that I can add things to. So if I come up with something new that I want, a place that I want to go and visit, I simply can go down here, hit the Enter key, and I can type Elk Neck Park. And then when I start to search and look for places that I want to visit, Elk Neck Park will come up for me, and I can plan a day trip. All right, I hope that was helpful.